How you doing today? I'm down here at the dairy farm. Been working here about 4 weeks now. And I just want to show you some of the things that I learned how to do since I've been here. Alright, this pipe right here, this is where all the water is going to drain from after the system is cleaned and pumped out. Because you can't have all that leftover milk that's sour and, you just have, it's just bad for the milk, dig like that. So this is where everything drains from. So I done took that pipe off, drain pipe, and put a cap on it and clamped it down tight. All right. And we're gonna go over here to the milk tank. All right, right at the milk tank. Unclamp this, because this is where it goes into the tank. After the truck comes and pick up the milk, all this shoots up in that tank, clean that tank out too. So we're gonna disconnect it. Go over here to the tank. Take this rubber cap off. And we're gonna stick our other drain pipe off in there. Can't drop the seal. Need that rubber seal in there. You ain't got that rubber seal in there. All that milk will skeet out everywhere. So we're gonna clamp this seal into. Try to get this clamp on here. Kind of hard when it start off, but it gets easy. See what I mean? Just gotta hold it up there just right. It doesn't matter if your seal comes up off of your tank or you're trying to get your pipe seal clamped in. So all you gotta do is flip that back around and it's down now. Now, we're not finished yet, because we have one main important thing to do for the process. And that's add your filter. Gotta put your filter on here. This strains out anything that's unwanted in the tank.